Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back English version with Faridul Islam. All students, you must be fine. Today, I will discuss the important chapter of your textbook, General Science. Hopefully the whole class will pay attention. So let's start the class. Science, classes 9 and 10. Page number 150. Chapter 7. Use of acid, base, and salt. Friends, many of you find this chapter difficult. Today we will break down all the difficult and make it easy. Hopefully the whole class will pay attention. You have learnt about acid, base, and salt in class 8. Can you remember their characteristics? In this chapter, we shall discuss different uses of acid, base, and salt. It has been said here that in class 8, you got the basic idea about acid, base, and salt, and you will know the details in this book. Here you will get a concept about how we can use this in our daily life. After studying the chapter, you will get a concept about pH, which is very important for measuring acid and base. Now the question is, what is pH? pH stands for potential of hydrogen. It represents the ratio of hydronium ions H3O to hydroxide ions OH. It is a measure of acidity and alkalinity of a solution. Now look at the page 152 of your science book. 7.1. The first is called acid. Now the question may come to your mind. What is acid? The substances that denote hydrogen ions H+ to aqueous solution are called acids. Easy way to recognize weak acids and strong acids. 7.1.1 A strong and weak acid. You have learned about some organic acids in class 8. You also know that acids produce hydrogen ion H+ in water. Now, the question may come again. What is meant by hydrogen ion H+? Hydrogen ion is strictly the nucleus of a hydrogen atom separated from its accompanying electron. The hydrogen nucleus is made up of a particle carrying a unique positive electric charge called a proton. The isolated hydrogen ion, represented by the symbol H+, is therefore customarily used to represent a proton. So, it has been said that acids produce hydrogen ion H+ in water. There are some acids, particularly organic acids, which do not dissociate completely in water. That is, they dissociate partially, which means all the acid molecules present do not produce H+ ion. Now the question is, what is organic acid? Organic acid is an organic compound that has acidic properties, that is denotes H plus ions in aqueous solution. We regularly eat a lot of foods that contain organic acids such as apple, pineapple. Pineapple contains malic acid. Grape, orange, lemon. Lemon contains citric acid. Tomato. Tomato contains oxalic acid. And amloki. Amloki contains ascorbic acid. One more question can be asked to understand this line. What is meant by dissociate partially? Some of the molecules that are added to the solution of partially dissociate are broken or dissociated and the rest are not dissociated. So this line has been said, there are some acids, particularly organic acids, which do not dissociate completely in water. That is, they dissociate partially, which means all the acid molecules present do not produce H plus ion. And another important question is that acid molecules. What is an acid molecules? An acid is a molecule or ion capable of either donating a proton, that is hydrogen ion plus, hydrogen ion H plus, known as a Bronsted-Lowry acid, or capable of forming a covalent bond with an electron pair, known as a Lewis acid. Aqueous Arrhenius acids have characteristics, properties which provide a practical description of an acid. So this line has been said, all the acid molecules present do not produce H plus ion. These acids are called weak acids. On the other hand, mineral acids completely dissociate in water to produce hydrogen ion H plus. That is, all the acid molecules present undergo dissociation. Now the question is, what is mineral acid? Acids derived from various minerals found in nature are called mineral acids. Or mineral acid refers to any chemical compound originating from a reaction between an inorganic compound and its dissociation to produce hydrogen ions H plus in water. Mineral acids are highly corrosive and used in the formation electrolytic cells or electrolytic cells. So this line has been said, mineral acids completely dissociate in water to produce hydrogen ion H plus, that is, all the acid molecules present undergo dissociation. There are some acids such as carbonic acid, which is not an organic acid but a weak acid. So important weak and strong acids are shown in Table 1. Now the question is, what is carbonic acid? Carbonic acid is a type of weak acid formed from the dissolving of carbon dioxide in water. The chemical formula of carbonic acid is H2CO3. Carbonic acid is found in a variety of sources such as carbonated beverages and rainwater. So this line has been said, there are some acids such as carbonic acid, which is not an organic acid but a weak acid. Some important weak and strong acids are shown in Table 1. Here, the weak acid in the first 3 bottles and the strong acid in the next 3 bottles are shown along with their chemical formula. The table here refers to weak acids and strong acids with different chemical formulas. Let's read once and try to understand. Weak acid, acetic acid, whose chemical formula is CH3COOH. Citric acid, whose chemical formula is C6H8O7. Oxalic acid, whose chemical formula is HCCOH. And strong acid, sulfuric acid, whose chemical formula is H2SO4. Nitric acid, whose chemical formula is HNO3. Hydrochloric acid, whose chemical formula is HCl. Friends, you must have understood the class well and learned a lot. If you benefit from each class, my work will be worthwhile. Wishing you well. I'm ending here like today. Allah Hafiz.